Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your inbox in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here in the bottom bar we have to tap on inbox. And here we can just check whatever news there are regarding our projects or our portfolios, conversations, messages, everything. We can also sort the contents of the inbox here, and just check out what's happening and what's going on. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.